The Joy Factory VESA HD mount line is designed to be a reliable, versatile, and vital tool that helps your workforce stay connected. This video will overview the VESA 75100 HD amps mount featuring 26mm ball joints. This mount is also available in a 38mm configuration. Each mount includes a quick start guide, VESA ball joint, the mount arm, an optional security screw, and the amps mount base. First, you want to install the amps base onto the mounting surface. Then loosen the lever on the mount arm and fix it to the amps base. Next, insert the VESA ball joint into the other end of the mount arm, and finally, retighten the lever. It features a drill down amps 30 to 38mm base for universal compatibility and works with devices that feature VESA 75/75, 100, 50, and 100/100mm patterns. With its universal mounting pattern, this drill down mount is ideal for use in virtually any vehicle, like a utility or emergency services vehicle. It is rated to a hold capacity of up to 10 pounds, making it the perfect fit for the Panasonic Toughbook, G-Tech Rugged Tablet, and Zebra Enterprise tablets, just to name a few. The mount is equipped with the necessary strength to handle vibrations and shocks endured while in transit. Through testing, we found that it can withstand 11 pounds of force without shifting and holds an MIL STD 810G 514.7 vibration testing certification. It is equipped with two 26mm spherical rubber-coated ball joints, which provide 360-degree rotation for infinite adjustability while still offering maximum strength. We tested the release handle at 1,000 plus uses and guarantee its durability and longevity. The mount is made with corrosion-resistant material, making it ideal for mixed element environments such as rainy conditions or environments with salt spray. Finally, it's equipped with cable management to ensure charging and pairing cables don't hang down. For security, when using the mount in public spaces, an included optional security feature will keep the device secure in place. For more product information, contact sales@thejoyfactory.com.